Hey there friends, just wanted to do a quick video on a pocket face mask that I have been making and selling. This was one that I had a request for some camo, and this was one that did not pass my quality inspection. There was a few things that I didn't like about, so this one became my reject as I filled the order for somebody else. So there were some questions about how do you properly put this on, and I had included some instructions, but they might not be exactly clear, so I was just going to do a quick video show you how to use it. So basically there is a top and a bottom. The loop side is what goes over your neck. So you put that over your neck and you kind of cinch it up. The pocket side should actually be facing out at this point. Then you take the rope and you pull it up a little bit closer to your hairline. It just helps it so that you can fit better. And I'm gonna take my glasses off because my glasses always get in the way when I do these kinds of things. So you pull it up, and then at this point you take your strings, you lift up, and I'm gonna try and get closer so that you can see and hear me better. You lift up and you pull out to the sides, okay? And then tie. Okay, now this has a pretty decent seal, but you can adjust this, you can cinch it, and basically create pleats, adjust it however you need to adjust it. So obviously it's not like my bun is in the way from where I would actually put that rope right where the bun is. But you can pull it down so that it's cinched more. It gives you a little bit more of a space in front of your, put that over my bun, that might help. And there should be a little bit, actually I didn't do this for my reject one. All the ones that I had made have a little piece of a wire in there so that you can kind of scrunch it down for people like myself with glasses, so that as you breathe, it helps to kind of create a seal there, so when you breathe it doesn't actually come up behind your glasses. This style is pretty nice in the respect that when you breathe you do have a little bit of a pocket in front of your nose and your mouth, and you can pull it up a little bit with your in front of your chin to give yourself a little extra. But it's not, I've worn some other masks that it's a little bit more fitted, and I think it's actually a little harder to breathe, even though this is fitted, but it gives you a little bit of a standoff almost, so that you can have a better experience breathing. This obviously does not have, let me take this off, this does not have any filter in it. This is just all material. So this is actually a 3-ply piece of material. This is one piece of material, this is another piece of material, and then the front is a third piece of material. So if you wanted additional filtration, you could put more material inside of it, or they've been selling some of the carbon activated filters or some other things, polypropylene I think, inserts that you can put in these. I don't have that, so all I have is just the mask. It's a comfortable mask, and it's pretty user-friendly. So I hope that is helpful. Thanks. Take care. Bye.